Easy chutney without coconut. This is a tasty recipe to be served along with dosa and idli. We need only less time for this chutney recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 2 tablespoons Urud Dal, 6 garlics. Roast for 1 minute. Then add half cup of peanuts. Mix it well. Roast for 4 minutes. If it is roasted, we need only lesser time. Now add 1.5 tablespoon red chilli powder. If you need it to be more spicy, you can add some more chili powder. Roast for 1 minute. Add half cup of tamarind water. For tamarind water, we have taken 1 teaspoon size tamarind. Add 3/4 teaspoon salt. Cook for another 1 minute. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder jar. Add 1 cup of water and grind it. We get very thick chutney. For final ingredient, in a pan take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 4 dry red chillies, 1/4 teaspoon Hing Powder. Roast for 1 minute.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Finally, add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Just cook for 30 seconds and switch off the flame. Now add the final mixture into the grinded paste and mix it well. Our easy chutney without grated coconut is ready. We can serve this chutney with idli and dosa.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.